Hi guys, welcome back to the Tofu Chef. This is our 11th episode, so yay, thanks for following up. Today we're going to share with you a very special recipe that's originated in Wuhan. Wuhan Doupi, or Wuhan soybean crepes, a breakfast/snack/street food originated in Wuhan, China. While this food is extremely popular, it is rare to find any vegan version out in the market. So here we go, vegan doupi for Christmas.
We are the
TheTofuChef!
Traditional doupi consists of 3 layers. The crepe made from a mix of rice and beans usually has eggs in it. The middle layer, the sticky rice, and the filling, typically a stir-fry of vegetables, might contain meat. Our version, however, is completely vegan and gluten-free.
There's quite a bit of prep work, and you'll be better off soaking things we need the night before. For the crepes, soak 100 grams of regular rice, 20 grams of soybeans, and 30 grams of mung beans together in the fridge overnight. Meanwhile, soak 150 grams of sticky rice for the middle layer.
Let's first cook the middle layer. Because it takes the longest to cook, steam the soaked sticky rice on boiling water for 20 to 30 minutes or till it becomes semi-translucent. We've worked with the sticky rice in our previous episode on pearl tofu balls. Make sure to check that out if you haven't.
At the same time, prepare the filling by roughly chopping the veggies: shiitake mushroom, pressed tofu, bamboo shoots, and spring onions. Put in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Heat the pan on medium heat, then saute a few cloves of garlic. Quickly stir fry all the veggies and add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, and some chili powder and black pepper to your taste. Adding half tablespoon of dark soy sauce for coloring. Smells so great.
Then we make the doupi, the crepe. Blend soaked rice, soybeans, and mung beans with 115 milliliter water till the batter is liquidy without visible lumps.
Very flowy. Now let's assemble the doupi. Heat the pan and brush the bottom with some oil. Pour a small portion of the batter, make it round quickly. Wait for the crepes to firm up. When the surface turns dry, lay a layer of sticky rice, and then put filling on top of it. Form them into a rectangular shape and fold the crepes. The crepe seems a bit too small for such a big filling. Never mind.
To take it out, cover the pan with a plate and turn it upside down. Voila! To finish, garnish with some black sesame and spring onions. This is the breakfast. It's really a crepe. Look at that!
Local people usually eat as is without any dipping sauce, so we'll do what the locals do. The skin could be crispier, but still really very tasty.
Last but not least, let's welcome the latest Tofu Chef crew, Peanut the Beagle.
Peanut, say hi.
Peanut, say hi.
Hi.
So if you like us, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. We'll see you next year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Bye.
Bye.